Welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, I'm wiring, and I got everything ran to everywhere. I'm working under the dash right now. And the problem that I'm having is this harness that I bought off of Evil Bay. You can't read nothing on it. So I had to sit with a magnifying glass and look up and down the wire until I would finally find where it went, what it said. So I got every wire marked. That took me an hour and a half, 2 hours to do that, to mark them all. Just sickening. It's a good quality deal, but their print on there is terrible. So, but I got, I'm ready to pull the gauge cluster out and wire that up, and I put my headlight dimmer switch right here on here, up here, because my feet are so big I can't move them around. And then, so I've been doing some wiring. Actually, I did a lot of wiring, I should say. So you can kind of see things in there. I got the alternator regulators done, the main fuse is in, the starter relays all wired up, neutral safety switch is wired up. And I got the computer wiring laying over there. I ran it through the floor. Got the computer hung back there. So I got the ignition switch all wired up. Wiper switch has to be mounted yet. I just got it in there. And then I got the headlight switches sitting in there. So, but I'm ready to go now. I got everything all marked up. So, but man, I would probably had it done, but I had to sit there and go through wire and wire and wire. I mean, had to mark everything. I had to take my magnifying glass I got laying right here, and then the light, and I had to look at the wires and up and down the wire to find where it went, Just frustrating. But, so I hope in the next couple of days I can put some battery juice to it, and we'll be able to start it up and turn the lights on and everything. We'll see. So, but yeah, that really sucked. You can see the mess I got here. But I'll be cleaning this up tomorrow. It's late. I'm gonna head her in, and then tomorrow I'm gonna resume. But yeah, I got all the wiring is ran to everywhere. It just has to be hooked up. And then I got for the rear tail lights. I got all the wiring, ran to the back here. That's all got to be hooked up, and see what my tail light switch or deal has to be hooked up, the connector. And then I got all the front end wiring. It's all hanging there. That's all ran along the frame rail. Everything's ran to their stuff, but now you gotta hook it all up and everything, Engine wiring, just got that draped in there. But once I got past this mark, I had to take that magnifying glass and look through every stitch of wire and find out what it was for. In the manual, they don't have a deal in there that says what they're for, So, but yeah, I got a heck of a mess going on, but that's fine. I always clean up, so I'm not going to clean nothing up tonight. But I've been making notes on where stuff is gone, and so I can make up a book on it. But yeah, just a quick update on it, and I'm not going to film every minute of wiring this thing up, it just doesn't pay. I was going to do that, and no, it'd be hours and hours, and it'd be boring. So, yeah. So anyway, I will let you guys go, and please like and subscribe. But I would guess in the next few days we'll be putting some fire to this thing, and we'll see once how it runs and all that. But I'll make sure I film all that. So you guys take care, and please subscribe if you can. I'd appreciate it. But take care, you guys. Bye-bye.